Is this the right time to upload? Yeah, I think it is. Well, whatever. Fuck that. What the? Hello everybody. My name is Spike Nickel. Oh goddamn demo. My name is Spike Nickel. I'm back with some Megaman CX. Oh, oh my god. Okay, last time we just left off with some LX Mata. Oh, sorry. Wrong one. Wrong one. Wrong file. Every day. It's every day, bro. It's every day. Okay, we left off with some Model LX. Okay, I need to stop that. What next? What next on the list? Okay, I will abort this mission. I need another mission. I need a good mission. Okay. Nope. Area plebes area J. This is quite easy. Okay. To area J we go. Ooh, this episode gonna be long. What am I talking about? Every episode of mine is long. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Yep. 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 Oh shit. I just finished playing Megaman X1 auto game. I tried my record. It's 3 hours. Oh my god. I cannot believe my eyes. And my hand too. Oh my god. I can finish that game in like 3 hours. Wow. That's a new record for me. Even when I'm playing that game already. And no other heart tank and capsule and yeah. I didn't get Hadouken though. I don't know how to get it. I think you have to die 3 times on the armadillo armadillo. Oh shit. And have all your energy and like have all energy, have all health and die 3 times. Yeah, I think that's all. Right? But yeah, I don't want to be that easy because Hadouken can even one hit every boss, so that will make everything so easy. The game is not so enjoyable, and yeah, so on and so on. Though I don't like the Hadouken. The Hadouken is for the weak. Mark my word. Okay, this time around, I'll keep playing Mega Man CX. Okay, what now? Ooh, John Howard uploaded a new video. Go watch him. If you don't know vocabulary of the English, I watch him just for studying English. So yeah, if you want, just go there. He talk Vietnamese though too. So yeah. Well, she wasn't. So it's contained the rest of that we decoded from the other discs we found at the distress core source. We found the enemy delivery unit along with the biometal signature. There must be something important stored on that disc. The biometal signature is further back in the same area. Be careful, Van. Yeah, I will. Oh wait, I have Model LX now. Amazing! Okay, this gotta be... Oh shit, Spike. I hate it. My arch enemy. Okay, there's a life up in here. It's kinda like secret, but just go in here. Okay. You just need Model LX to do this. Pretty easy, right? I don't know why everybody just store life up there. It's just easy to find. Whoa! I'm too confident. Okay. I need a... There's a grand server here. Okay. Oh, no, no, no! No! Okay, no, no, no. That is a big no-no. I have the model OX in there, and I don't want to fucking do that again. Oh my god, Omega is the hard-ass boss. I don't want it to battle him again. Even the battle of Omega is quite entertaining. I don't know why. I keep dying and dying, but that's quite entertaining. I better stop talking about that. We keep going. We'll keep up here. Yada yada yada. This is safer. Not so safe. Okay, okay, okay. You just fucked my life. Okay. Oh shit. God damn. Okay, there's a database up there. So how to get it is quite easy, but yeah, it depends on you. See? Fucking shit, man. At least I got to get that fucking... Okay. Not that bad. Okay, this is bad. I forget to get the sub tank as well, so yeah, I will go get it after I finish this boss, of course. Okay. Okay. Or you dig back with me. I could just fucking... Oh! You son of a dick. Okay. You're just fucking me over, aren't ya? Aren't ya? Woo! They're just getting too many pieces. It's safe up here. Oop. I'll get it eventually. Not that hard. Just need some timing right, and then you good to go. I give it one. I give up on it. I don't need to be like 100% complete this game, right? No one asked me for it anyway. Or maybe because I don't have many views. Whatever. I don't care about that. I just do this for fun. Like, I don't have anything else to do. I just go on YouTube and feel like I want to make a video. That's it. That's why I make this channel, the Spy Maker. Oh, keep on. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Down. 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 Yup. Yada yada yada. Are you kidding me? Get back. Oh my god. Cannot touch this. No fucking shit. Okay, you just make me angry. I'll kill you. Come here. All force. Okay. Are you kidding me? How many health do he have? How many health does this thing? Oh. Yeah. Take that. And this. And this. Yes. Not that much powerful now, hey? Okay, I need an energy. I better start playing Mega Man X2. Man, I'm so old school. But don't judge me. I play what I want. Don't judge me. Are you kidding me? At least I have a lot of life. Okay, I got 2 life less. Are you kidding me? Take backs! Ah, good. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. It's not really that hard. No Mega Man game is too hard. I just... okay. Woo! Oh my god. No Mega Man, this game is too hard. Except... 0. Mega Man 0. Okay, okay. Be careful on this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yada yada yada. Ah, the boss. Finally. Oh, that was a new record for me. 30 minutes. Without cutting. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Time to do this. Not that. Are you kidding me? Okay. What? Okay. That hit? Are you kidding me? Oh shit. Okay, this is... okay, I want to call this a day. Okay. You just dig me over, don't you? Can't touch this. Oh shit. Oh shh. Just figure out how to dodge it. It was easy to dodge actually. Amazing. Yep, 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 yep. The win is in my hand. I cannot lose. Level 4 victory again. Applause! I'm so lonely. Okay. That was quite easy. If you know the pattern. How could anyone give my power for someone like that? I'm sorry. It will take some time to recover the password. I'll make sure it's available before you have to take on Model Q. Good. Man, I don't need to fix this. First time. For a year. You found a data disk. Vent, the data disk is... yeah, the recording unit reports is on it. The recording units was wiped out by the act of one of our own. His name is Serpent, and he was always the one most interested in the Model Q fragment. He erased the research data and vanished with the biometal. I've never heard of a Maverick that powerful. Model Q must have transformed him into something else. We now know that Model Q has the power to create an enemy much more terrifying than the Mavericks. I only hope that our sacrifice bought the commander enough time to escape. I don't have much longer. I pray that this data doesn't fall into the wrong hands. Well, it doesn't, but it will be. Okay. You must have known the reaction of the people of this country would have if they knew the truth. Send the data disks along with your mission report. We cannot allow the information contained on this to get out until we know exactly what it is. Alright, I'll send it. Sis, she must have gotten away while the others protected her. Amazing! Yay! Now I have to backtrack all the way. Okay. This is not the favorite one. Okay. Ooh, now. Wait, what's that? A database. Oh shit. Okay. No playing around. Let's get go on with our mission. Okay, I need... Huh. That's a blessing. Keep going on. Rolling around at the speed of sound. No time to slow, gonna catch up my rainbows. Okay, I better stop. I don't need to kill him. Okay. Okay. Need to come back and I will get a lot more. Whoop, whoop. Whoop. I will whoop your ass. Your asses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, nothing? Really? Serious? Come on, man. Give me something good. Not that. I don't want a bullet. Okay. With the fixed biometal HS and FX. Okay. Not that much of a deal. Okay, I will make the mission end here. And goodbye, everybody. Oh my god, those fish. They just go through the wall. Okay. This episode is, well, 20 minutes like usual, but I got something to say. Mega Man ZX, well, I keep on this series like for 3 or 4 more weeks if I can. Like, I will play until its end. And I will step up to another series like Chocolate Dungeon or maybe even Mega Man X for everyone to see my skill. I'm not that skilled at Mega Man X actually. I died like 3 times at the first start. Like I cannot even meet Penguin. Well, goodbye everybody. My name's Spineku, and like, subscribe if you want. Leave down comments that you like me or yeah, surprise to each other if you want. Yeah, I'm out. Peace.